And girl, lahat sila may mga sariling ring light, like nakinang sila. Get ready with me while I talk about my South Korea trip. Wala pang 1 week simula na nakauwi ako galing Korea, kaya grabe yung sepang sa nararamdaman ko. Like imagine I stayed there for 8 days and 7 nights. Gusto niyo yun? Parang wala nang balak umuwi. Pero nandun talaga ako because of the Squid Game Season 3. Ayan, thank you so much Netflix Philippines. Dahil dinala nyo na naman ako sa Korea, nakakaloka. Hindi nyo pa po alam, this is my second time in Korea. Nung first time ko was December. Netflix din nagdala sa akin doon. And it's also because of the Squid Game Season 2 naman. Kaya grabe, sobrang fulfillment yung nararamdaman ko and para talaga akong nananaginip pa rin. We actually stayed sa Fairmont Ambassador Seoul, a 5-star hotel, and pagkarating ko doon, meron na agad package from Netflix and you know me, I love freebies and swag kit. Day 0, we had a welcome dinner and ang galing lang kasi hinati kami sa 4 groups and pinag-mix lahat ng mga creators from different countries. So, nakakausap namin sila and I met a lot of creators from Indonesia, Malaysia, USA, and many more. Even yung arrangement namin sa welcome dinner as in mix din talaga. Hindi kami like sa isang grupo, Team Philippines, Team Indonesia. Hindi. Pinag-mix kami. So, ayun, parang nung umuwi ako, naubos yung English ko. Charot. Day 1, we went to 3 different events. Sa part 1, nagpunta kami sa isang malaking playground. Like, malaki talaga. Nagulat kami. And doon sa malaking playground na yun, we played 4 different games. Nandyan yung OX quiz.
Is it fall? It's fall.
Red light, green light. Pentathlon, wherein we played Dakji. Flying Stone.
Oh!
Gongji. Spinning Top. And Jeggy. And last, we played the round and round. Like, super fun nito. As in, lumabas yung pagiging competitive naming lahat. So that was part 1. The part 2, nandun na yung Squid Game countdown wherein we saw and interacted with the Squid Game cast. I was honestly surprised na hinayaan nila kami makipag-interact and super lapit. Like girl, nahawakan ko yung kamay ni Kang Hanon and Park Kyung. I was shocked. Ang lala. Like, ganun. The part 3 event, it's the final dinner na para bang mga Squid Game players kami. Tapos, we just took some photos, videos, and then went back sa hotel room namin. Day 2, nagpunta kami sa isang fan event wherein nagkaroon ng malawak at mahabang parade ng Squid Game. Tapos, bukod doon, naloka ako kasi ako po ay napiling ma-interview ng Korean media.
Okay.
Philippines! I mean, that was like, you know, just 2 questions. Pero I saw myself sa big screen kasi. So, wow. Core memory malala. Tapos later on, lumabas na yung whole cast ng Squid Game. And girl, lahat sila may mga sariling ring light. Like, nakinang sila. So sad lang kasi wala si Gongyu. Pero kahit ganon, I still enjoyed the event. Day 3, last day na ng Squid Game event. Aww! Nagpunta kami sa isang activation and super fun lang kasi nag-jumping rope kaming Team Philippines. Tapos alam nyo ba, akala ko, eme-eme lang yon, like ganda-gandahan, magpipicture lang kami, magvi-video. Kaya ganun yung outfit ko, tapos hindi ko alam na mapapasabak pala kami sa laro. Pero ayun, as a competitive person, kinaya natin. Fuck! Alam nyo, kahit sobrang init nung nagpunta ako sa Korea, as in nag-enjoy ako. I never thought na mabibigyan ulit ako ng opportunity ni Netflix na ma-experience tong ganitong trip. Kaya super duper thank you po. One of the best brand trips and I will surely remember all the chicas, laughs, and memories with the whole team. Kaya thank you so much Netflix Philippines, and if it wasn't for you all roses, hindi ko naman po ma-experience tong mga to. Kaya maraming salamat din sa inyo. I will just finalize this look and I will be right back. And here is my final look. Thank you so much for finishing the story time. Let's manifest more brand trips and travels very soon para hap hooray! Mali! Ano to?